beautiful. A lot of people up here this morning, but that's okay. Good morning, everybody. It is day 74 and just left my campsite at the pig farm campsite, and we caught the sunrise up at McAfee Knob this morning. It wasn't like a perfectly clear sunrise, but it was still really cool. It was very like moody looking, lots of clouds and whatnot. I have a confession to make. Last night, well actually just these past few nights, this whole stretch, I've not been sleeping well, and I think it's because like the weather, it's like with just my silk liner on, I'm cold, but then if I like drape my quilt over me, I'm hot. And so I just can't figure out like how to be comfortable, I guess. And so my quilt that I have right now, it's the Enlightened Equipment Revelation 10 degree quilt, and I love it so much, but I think I need something warmer, or I guess warmer rated. I thought that the silk liner by itself would be fine, but it's not, and that's okay. So last night at 2 a.m. while I couldn't sleep, I ordered a new quilt. So I think it's going to be delivered to Glasgow, Virginia. I hope it gets there in time. If not, I'll have to like bounce it forward. But I got the Jaxer Better quilt. I can't remember. Oh, it's the Jaxer Better Shenandoah Ultralight, I believe is the quilt. And it's a 40 degree quilt. And it's like, I think like 11.4 ounces. And I think my Enlightened Equipment quilt currently is like almost, it's either 25 or 26 ounces. So, I mean, I'm cutting like half of my quilt weight, or I'm cutting my quilt weight in half by getting this new quilt. So that's kind of like how I was rationalizing it to myself. And like, I don't know, I'll use the summer quilt post-trail as well, but yeah, it did kind of hurt to like drop the money on it. But one of the things I've learned out here is that my sleep like directly influences my mood and my hiking day. So I'm willing to invest in good sleep, you know what I'm saying? So I'll keep you guys posted whenever I get the new quilt, and then I'm just gonna send my Enlightened Equipment quilt back home to my parents, and probably plan on getting that back, I don't know, maybe like late August, whenever it starts getting cold again. So yeah, I'll just have them hold that for me and then send it back whenever I need it again. But yeah, so currently en route to Daleville, Virginia, and planning on staying at the lovely Super 8 there, so I'm sure that's gonna be great. I've got like almost a 16-mile day into town though, which is a big day into town. And we got an early start, you know, watching the sunrise, but still, it's gonna be a long day. So trying to get up and kind of get moving before the heat. But we also are hitting the third spot of the Triple Crown, which is Tinker Cliffs. So that'll be exciting. So stay tuned for that, and I'll check back with you guys a little later. A lot of big rocks and cliffs in this area. It's really cool. If you were into like rock climbing, like I feel like this would be like a rock climber's paradise. I've never actually tried climbing, but maybe post-trail I'll give it a try. I feel like this would be just like an awesome place to come back to and try it. Like, check that out, that's so cool. The rocks are all fun and games until you see the little white blaze all the way up there and a massive ledge. Oh boy. Okay, climbing up the rock ledges may not be my favorite thing, but Look at this view. Wow. What a beautiful day. So thankful to be out here. Well, this is a little intimidating. Straight up that mountain. Who needs switchbacks when you can just walk straight up? View from Tinker Cliffs. It's beautiful. Although it is extremely windy. But I'll be honest, I've never been more thankful for the wind than right now. Because otherwise I would be dying in this heat. But the wind is a pleasant surprise. I heard there's a better view if you keep going north of here, so I'm gonna keep trekking along and see what I find. The Tinker elevation geological marker thing. And here's the other view. Not too shabby. The wind is outrageous. So small from all the way over here.
Look, he sat there and looked at me and huffed.
Oh, there's a bear just watching us.
Yeah, like I said, he's
Yeah.
What is this? Is this like a steel?
He is big.
gas line or whatever.
This is the gas line, yeah. There he goes, there he goes. The day has been filled with some awesome rocks. Boulders, I guess. Ah, they're so cool. They're so big. Not sure what that river it is down there, but sure is a beautiful view. A beautiful day. Still extremely windy though. First blueberries of the trail. How's it taste?
They're really good.
Nice.
Yeah.
I think this is the best power line view we've had so far. Pretty, pretty.
2.8 to barbecue.
BBQ.
I just don't know.
It's power line, man. You can hear it. Look how big it is. Super 8!
Over by the pool.
Oh yeah. Oh, he running.
Yeah.
Aww. Cracker Barrel. It is day 75 and it's 1 p.m. We're just now leaving town, just now leaving Daleville, and the plan is to make it 11 miles. So it's gonna be a late night, a long afternoon of hiking, and it's also really hot already. So it's gonna be fun though. Everything's gonna be fun. My pack is extremely heavy, but everything's fine. 1/3 of the way. Woo-hoo! Hey guys, so it's the end of day 75 and it's been a nice day. It's been a really busy day and I didn't film very much because we were just like going and going and going, so probably end up putting 74 and 75 together. But this morning we woke up in Daleville and took care of a lot of town chores, resupplying, hitting the Cracker Barrel, you know, all the necessities, and then hiked I think like 11 miles to this shelter. I can't remember the name of it, But yeah, we didn't even like get into it. It was a nice day of hiking, not too bad as far as like elevation or anything like that. So it's been a really great day. And tomorrow I think we're gonna try to catch a swimming hole at the end of the day. So that'll be super fun. So be sure to check back again tomorrow for that. All right, talk to you guys later.